Dearest Papa, Mama, by the time you get this letter, I'll be observing you all from the sky, enjoying the hospitality of Apsaras. I have no regrets. In fact, even if I become a human again, I will join the army and fight for my nation. If you can please come and see where the Indian Army fought for your tomorrow. As far as the unit is concerned, the new chaps should be told about this sacrifice. I hope my photo will be kept in the Alpha Company Mandir with Karni Mata. Whatever can be taken should be done. He also writes that contribute some money to orphanage and keep on giving some rupees to Ruksana per month and meet Yogi Baba. Best of luck to Buddy and never forget this sacrifice of these men. Okay then, it's time for me to join my clan of the Dirty Dozen. My assault party has 12 chaps. Best of luck to you all and live life king size. Yours, Robin.
Captain Vijayan Thapar was born on 26 December 1976. So when you become a mother, you are very happy. You see a beautiful child. वो happiness और बढ़ जाती है. वो एक ऐसा बच्चा था, सारा स्कूल खाली हो जाए, सबसे लास्ट में विजयन थापर बाहर आ रहा है. एंड देन विल कम होम और अपने फ्रेंड्स के बारे में बात करेगा. दैट वाज हिज एवरीडे जॉब. मैं तो फौज में ही जाऊंगा, मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा. कर्नल थापर ने उसको बोला कि देखो, अगर तुम फर्स्ट चांस में नहीं निकलेगा तो फिर याद रखना तुम फौज में नहीं जाएगा. He worked so hard and he was through in the first chance only. As a son, of course, he was very fond of his mother and we were like friends. विजयंत को तो खीर आप जब भी खिला दो वो बहुत खुश होता था और वो आप हफ्ते में एक बार बना दो, आप महीने में एक बार बना दो. He was very happy. मेरे हस्बैंड भी इतना ज़्यादा कोई मीठा नहीं खाते. इवन माई यंगर सन, वो भी मीठा कम खाता है. लेकिन मैं और मेरा बेटा बहुत वी वर फॉन्ड ऑफ खीर एंड वो खीर इतनी. फ्रॉम गोपाड़ा ही टोल्ड मी दैट आज ना मैं 32 गोलियों से बचकर आया हूँ. So then I told him, I say you should be very very careful when you're fighting with these militants. So he says, अरे अभी तो वो गोली बनी नहीं है जो हमको लगनी है, वो गोली अभी बनी नहीं है.
But it had been manufactured and it had been fired.
And sometimes I feel अगर वो फर्स्ट चांस में नहीं निकलता तो हो सकता कभी कारगिल नहीं जाता. बट यू सी आई एम ए प्राउड मदर. ज़िंदगी की लंबाई नहीं नापी जाती है कि किसने कितने साल जिया, लेकिन ज़िंदगी में आपने क्या अचीव किया वो ज़्यादा मायने रखता है.
This is his first letter. This is joining. This is the last letter I wrote to him on the 26th of June. As a father to a son, I cannot keep quiet and have to tell you to be responsible in your actions. Learn to draw a line between a balanced military action and a rash act which may happen in a moment of misplaced josh. Nothing can go wrong with God's will and your actions. Okay, God be with you. By the time this letter reached, he was already a star in the heaven and he could not read this letter.
Actually, my contribution was only to tell my husband that you write this, you write that. I never wrote letters. If I knew that my son will leave us at the age of 22, he'll give supreme sacrifice at the age of 22, I think I would have written 100 letters to my son. He'll ask me what's happening at home, and I'll ask him कि कैसा चल रहा है पलटन में, बहुत टफ है, इतना दौड़ना पड़ता है, पिट्ठू के साथ है. I mean all that he used to tell me. So then my husband used to say कि अरे ये सब जगह होता है. As his son, he left for Kargil. I didn't know that he has left for Kargil war also after 2 months. And in Kargil, when the very first victory, I mean the first was Tololing victory, and Tololing was captured by 2 Rajputana rifles, in which Vijayan took active part. And I read his name in the newspaper. Then only I came to know that my son is in Kargil. He is taking part in war.
जीत के बाद उसने फिर 3-4 दिन के बाद मुझे कहा कि मामा आप लोग को पता चला हमने जीत लिए, हो गया सब. मैं कहा हाँ. तो मैंने कहा रॉबिन तुम तो कॉल ही नहीं करता. कहता मामा नहीं, अब मैं आपको कॉल करूंगा आफ्टर 20 डेज. तो मैंने कहा आफ्टर 20 डेज क्यों? तो कहते नहीं बस अभी मेरे को एक और टास्क मिला है, तो वो टास्क पूरा होने के बाद मैं आपको कॉल करूंगा. तो मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है. तो 20 डेज के बाद ऑन 29 जून रॉबिन की कॉल तो नहीं आई, लेकिन आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर से कॉल आ गई कि योर सन हैज गिवन हिज सुप्रीम सैक्रिफाइस इन कार्गिल. सो दैट वाज द एंड ऑफ माय सन्स लाइफ. अ ब्रेव सन. मतलब ये ना जैसे कई लोग पूछ लेते हैं आपको कि अरे 22 साल का था आपका बच्चा, आप देखिए आपको कैसा लगता है. मैंने कहा कैसा क्या लगता है? जिंदगी जो है वो लंबाई से नहीं नापी जाती है. जिंदगी में आपने क्या हासिल किया, आपकी क्या उपलब्धियां हैं, उससे देखी जाती है. एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माय सन.
I wish Vijayan a very, very happy 41st birthday. And I'm sure wherever he is, he's happy. When you are sending your son to the army, your son has joined the army, then we should be prepared that anything could happen. But today I am very proud that my son has done so much for his country. He has saved his country from his enemy.
It is for the rest of the country to be in a position to assure them that in case of that ultimate eventuality, it is not only the material benefits, that is the last thing. It is the honor, it is the dignity that will be provided to them. So that I always say that they are prepared to sacrifice their lives. The question we have to ask, each citizen has to ask himself is, are you worthy of that sacrifice? And if you are worthy, good. But if you are not worthy, then you have to think again.